Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best boiled egg microwave alternative you can get your hands on, the Elite Gourmet EGC-007B Rapid Egg Cooker. If you've ever struggled with peeling hard-boiled eggs, overcooked yolks, or inconsistent results on the stovetop, then this compact little gadget might just be your next kitchen essential. Let's kick things off with what makes this egg cooker such a standout. At first glance, it's sleek, lightweight, and compact, perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even RVs. It measures just 7.5 inches in length and width and stands 6.3 inches tall. Weighing only 0.56 kilograms, it's incredibly portable without compromising on performance. Using it is simple. You just fill the included measuring cup with water based on how you like your eggs, soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Pour that into the heating plate, place up to 7 eggs into the tray, put on the clear lid, press the power button, and let the magic happen. The built-in buzzer lets you know exactly when your eggs are done, and thanks to the auto shut-off feature, there's no worrying about overcooking or forgetting them while you multitask. But this isn't just a hard-boiled egg maker. The Elite Gourmet EGC-007B also comes with a poaching tray and an omelet tray, making it one of the most versatile egg cookers out there. Whether you want to poach a couple of eggs for brunch or whip up a quick veggie omelet in the morning, it's all possible in one compact device. Now let's talk about the results. The standout feature here is how incredibly easy it is to peel the eggs after cooking. The steam method used inside this cooker causes the shell to separate more cleanly, meaning you spend less time fighting with eggshells and more time enjoying perfectly cooked eggs. The consistency is impressive too. Whether soft, medium, or hard, the yolks turn out just how you want them. Cleanup is equally simple. The removable parts, including the egg tray, poaching tray, and omelet tray, are dishwasher safe. The rest just needs a quick wipe down. Included in the box is a colorful instruction manual with 16 recipes, ranging from classic boiled eggs to creative omelets and snacks. It's a nice bonus for anyone looking to get more out of their egg cooker without guessing cook times or experimenting from scratch. In terms of durability and reliability, Elite Gourmet backs this product with a 2-year limited warranty and US-based customer support. That's always a confidence booster when you're investing in a kitchen appliance, especially one that you'll likely use several times a week. If you're ordering from outside the US, like India for example, expect additional shipping and import charges. But it's still reasonably priced even after those costs. You can often find this cooker priced around $13.99, and even with the added charges, it remains a budget-friendly, high-utility product. So, who is this egg cooker for? Busy professionals, students, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to save time in the kitchen without sacrificing quality. If you're someone who preps breakfasts in batches, this is a total game changer. To wrap up, the Elite Gourmet EGC-007B is more than just an egg cooker. It's a fast, foolproof, and frustration-free way to prepare eggs any way you like. With its compact design, ease of use, versatility, and reliable performance, it earns its place as the best boiled egg microwave alternative on the market today. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more in-depth reviews like this. Catch you in the next one.